Ano ka ba?
I'm afraid. Ito mo bibiruin.
Okay, we're riding on the
Cable
cable
car.
car.
I've got fear of heights.
It's all in the mind, my gosh.
It's all in the mind. Kahit it's all in the mind yan, my body's reacting. Nag-enjoy.
Ano ba? Ay, puro sila highly industrialized. Oo nga.
Bigyan mo lang yung lugar para mapakita natin. Isa lang ayan lang natin. Hindi ako makakita. Pero yung cable car na to, in fairness, it's better than Hong Kong. Kasi, bug yung ano yung pag dumadaan ka doon sa mga poste, nag-ano, kumakalabog. Ito hindi eh, so it's fine. Hindi ako masyadong natutrauma.